Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to edit menu in Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then of course you just have to log into your Wix account and then make sure that you have selected your website. Okay, so as you can see right here, at the very top, I have my menus. Now, to start customizing or editing your menus, all you have to do is to simply click on it. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this option where it says Manage Menu. So you just have to simply click on this option. Okay, so that's right. And then right here, this page will appear. So all you have to do here is to simply start customizing your menu. So see, for example, when you click on the three dots right here, you'd be able to see the change link option, rename and remove from menu. Okay, so see, for example, I would like to remove a specific menu that I don't want to include at the very top of this page. So let's go back right here and then click on the three dots. Okay, so here I can click on the remove from menu option. Okay, so here it is, the lips menu. So when I click on remove from menu, the lips menu has disappeared. Okay, now if you would like to, of course, rename or change the link, so you can do that as well. Now if you want to reorder your menus, so you just have to simply click on that six dots beside or at the left side of the menu name, and then you just have to drag and drop that menu. For example, I want the about section to be at the very top. So after ordering your menus, next thing that we should do is we are going to add another menu. So just simply click on the add item option. Okay, then right here we have main pages, dynamic, in-app pages, linked, submenu title, and mega menus. So I'm just going to add another main pages. So right here, these are all our main pages. So we have FAQ, terms and condition, privacy policy, shipping policy, and more. So I would like the member page to appear at the very top or at the menu section, and the refund policy as well. Next is you just have to simply click on apply. And as you can see, our menu section has expanded. So all we have to do now is to stretch it out from the left side or at the right side. Okay, so we can fit all of the menus all together. Now if you would like to change the position of your menus, all you have to do is to drag and drop your menu, so like this. So of course I'm just going to leave this one at the top center. Okay, so the next thing that we should do is to proceed to the layout section. Okay, so just click on your menu and then click on the layout. And right here for the menu, we have here the overflow items. We have wrapped and scroll. Next is for the spacing and alignment. We have horizontal spacing between items, so we can adjust this pixels. And then for the vertical spacing, we can adjust this one as well. And for the items, fill the whole menu. So if you like to toggle the switch on, just click on this option right here. And then for the text alignment, the menu item direction, we have left to right and right to left. Okay, and then for the item padding, we have the horizontal padding. So we have here the default size of this one, which is at 10 pixels, and for the vertical padding as well. Okay, so next thing that we should do is the design of our menu. So just click on our menu and click on this arrow at the top right, and then right here we have the size. We also have the responsive behavior, so I'm going to select fixed for this one. Okay, now for the design, we have here the menu container. So what do you want to design? So we have here menu container and menu item. Okay, so I'm going to select the menu items. Now for the background fields, if you would like to add a layer, so just click on this option right here. And then now I'm just going to add a color. Okay, so I just have to adjust the opacity of the color. So you can click on this color right here, and then if you cannot find your color, you can also click on this add color option. And then right here, just have to select the color that you want to use. So you just have to drag the circle right here, and then select your color. Okay, and then after that, you will then just have to simply click on add. And as you can see right here, we have now the color for our menus. Next, we also have the text. Okay, so we have the style, and then you can also change the color of the text. Okay, so the next one is the borders. Okay, so just click on the borders. Then if you'd like to customize the borders, make sure to unlock this one first. Just simply click on the left icon. And the next one for the corner, so just have to do the same. If you'd like to customize this one, just unlock that first so you can adjust the pixels. Next is for the shadows. Okay, so if you'd like to add shadows, just simply click on this add a shadow option, and then this page will appear. Okay, now for the shadow settings, we have here the color of the shadow. Okay, so just click on this icon right here, and then you just have to select the color of the shadow. Okay, so once done with the color of your shadow, you just have to simply click on the X icon. And then here we have the angle, the blur, and more. So just have to adjust their pixels. Okay, and then after that, next thing that we should do is we are going to get back here. Okay, and then here we also have the position type. So we have default, sticky, and pinned. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then when you scroll down, we also have the settings as well. So for the opacity, I think 100% is good. Okay, so now let's go back to this section right here for the menu container. So if you would like to add a color for your menu container, so we have here gradient color as well. We can also add images. So for the image, you can also click on change image right here. And then you have the freedom to upload your own media from your computer or use media from Wix. So for this one, I'm just going to use media from Wix. Okay, so I think I will be using this photo. Then after that, just simply click on change background. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds. And then as you can see right here, we have now the background color for our menus. So before we publish these settings, we have to preview our edits first. Okay, so just simply click on the preview option, and if you think everything is good, you can now publish this site. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.